Hi, I'm Millie. Welcome back to Live It Up with Mills. I do videos on beauty, fashion and lifestyle. If you are new here or if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please do remember to hit on the bell icon below to be notified about all my future updates. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Today's video, as you're aware, both from the title and the thumbnail, is all about my H&M haul. After a very long time, I wanted to indulge in some retail therapy, and what better time than the sale season to do so. So here are my H&M boxes, and as you can make out from the size of these boxes, I really went a little overboard. So let me start sharing my purchases with you. So this is the first outfit which I have. So this is a racer back basic tee. It's like in a chocolate brown color, really well cut out. Now you might think that why do I need to purchase these kind of racer back tees from H&M when I can pick it up for much cheaper at another place. But the quality of basics is really good, and I think the sale season is a very good time to invest in these kind of basics. Now if I go back, the cut back on the back is also very nice and sharp and sits really well. I got a size small. Now if I go back further, you can see my trousers. These are kind of like satiny material resort trousers which are loungy and flowy, but it really sits well. So if you see, it's got a lovely fall and really looks nice. Since I'm barely 5 feet, these sit a little long on me and kind of a floor length. They don't look bad, but just for the sake of comfort, I may want to take it up a couple of inches with the help of a tailor. But for anybody with average height, I think these will fit really well. Now the trouser also I got in a size small, and this is how it looks. So really flowy, nice, comfortable, and while it is a satiny kind of material, I can tell you that it's really comfortable and not feeling hot. I'm wearing it in this Calcutta summer and it's very comfortable. It's breathable actually. Now what I have on my feet are some new Espadrille wedges which I also got from H&M. So these are like really nice, so that you can get a closer look at these wedges. So these wedges, when I had checked it on the site, and I've got all of these online, so when I checked it on the site, the color was kind of a little on the brighter side, but when it came, it's come as a really skin colored nude kind of a shoe, and I really love that. I think I like this color way better than the color which I thought it was to be on the site. So if you see the weaving details, the Espadrille details on the heels, really nice, comfortable, doesn't hurt, quite soft, quite nice. Now while I have styled these together, because these were the purchases I have done through H&M now, you could style these basics with anything else that you have in your closet, and you need not necessarily invest or buy all the stuff which I have bought together. So these trousers would go very well with any basic tee or even a basic top which you have. A nice printed floral top would look very nice, and you could style it up, you know, make it look like a casual wear or a party wear. So like I would style this up with a straw bag and with those Espadrilles which I'm wearing. I would also style it a little differently with pumps and kind of like I said, a floral top, and wear it to office. So these are actually quite versatile pieces, and I think they're worth investing in. I'll put the sizing and the sale price details on the screen. I don't remember them offhand. Now the next piece which I got are it's this linen jacket. Now this jacket has some ruching detail on the sleeves, and it's again a very basic neutral color. So what I'll do is I'll style it up on this only and see how that looks. So that's how it looks. If I go back, it's like a very casual suit. While the color is not exactly matching with the trouser color, but it's in the same family. And also the roughness of the linen juxtaposed against the smoothness of the satin looks quite nice, quite an interesting texture detail. Also wear these jackets kind of like a formal wear with a formal pair of trousers or skirts, and you could very well carry these to office. Next purchase which I have is another casual trouser. This is again another beige satiny trouser. Now this time it has a tie detail at the waist, and you can like cinch it further by tightening it there. It's got pockets, and this material is a little thicker to the last material, and it's a little more satiny, and the color is also a tad bit darker than the last one. Now you may feel, what am I doing, why am I buying the same kind of trousers? But I really wanted to invest in some good basics which I can style with all the other pieces which I already own and have in my wardrobe. Also, rather than kind of investing in trends, it is better to invest in basics which you can then wear for a very long time. So this is how they look, and of course, like the last one, these can be styled with various other tops. Here I'm still wearing that chocolate brown racer back. It's really a very nice comfortable trouser again. Slightly thicker than the last one, so this may be a little more winter appropriate. It may not be very summer friendly, especially during the Indian hot sticky summers, but otherwise it's really a very nice trouser. The next purchase is this white sleeveless tee. Now if you see, it's got some lace trimmings, some very nice lace trimming details, and it really sits well. It's 100% cotton and very comfortable. Again, as I said, good time to invest in the basics from H&M because their basics are real good quality, and these are stuff which you can style with almost everything which you have in your wardrobe, from your denim shorts to your office wear trousers, and put on a blazer or a jacket and you're good to go. The next purchase which I have is this shirt. It's a resort shirt, satiny resort shirt. So if you see, it's like very oversized. I think I got an extra small in this, but you can see it's still got a lot of room. I have casually tucked it in here and kept the back out. You can also tuck it in the whole way or leave it completely hanging out. If you're tall, that would look nice. You can wear it over denim, wear it over shorts, and it's this perfect kind of a top to wear during your holidays. Now you could also style it a little differently, like take this out and maybe unbutton a couple of buttons around there and tie it. And that would also be a nice look. I will unbutton it further. There, so you could also tie it up like this. That's also another way to wear it. But it's a really nice one. And it's got a very expensive and luxurious look about it, which I really like. This purchase which I have is this tank top. Now this has got some beautiful delicate lace details, and it's a very nice grey blue kind of a color. If you see, it's got lace details in the middle, around the sides, so very delicate looking. I have paired it here with my old red skirt, just to make it look like an evening wear. I'm still wearing those espadrilles, and I have taken a straw bag with a little bit of red detailing here to match the skirt. So this is a perfect night out, summer night out kind of a look. So you can adjust the straps as per your liking, and you can keep it lower or like kind of pull it further up if that's what you prefer. But it's a really nice one, and in fact, while it's got a different look, if you leave it out and it's flowy like this, you can also tuck it in or partially casually tuck it in. It will also look nice then if you wanted to give more structure to the outfit which you're wearing. So it's again another very nice basic. You must be wondering that I'm only showing you these basic kind of colors and basic outfits, and it's summertime and we generally wear a lot of prints and color. But the purpose, like I said earlier, for doing that is so that you can have multiple use out of it. Also, I really like teaming these with whatever I have in my wardrobe, and I think these can be dressed up or dressed down as per your liking. Next one is again another basic tank, and it's black in color, but it's got some really interesting details like these double straps, and the material is this nice crinkly cotton material. It's very comfortable and very flowy. If I show you the back, it's like really interesting back detail. These straps are not adjustable, however they sit quite okay on me, and I am barely 5 feet, so I am sure with taller women they'll be just fine. Again, another very nice, simple, basic, and I really like it, and you can never have too many black tops. That's what I feel. Now the last and final one for this haul is this satin top, which comes with thick lining and with a very small neck and fastening on the back, and it's got these shoulder pad details. The reason I purchased this was I was for some time contemplating on purchasing something with shoulder pad details. I still have this on with that red skirt of mine, and I'm still wearing those espadrilles, and I think this look is quite nice. You could also kind of change it and make it into a more work appropriate kind of look with black trousers, or make it more casual with a pair of shorts. But I really like it. Also, the color is a very nice bronzy color, which I think really nicely complements the Indian complexion. So again, a very nice one. Though this one may not be summer appropriate again because it's got lining and the material is pretty thick, and it is not really a very breathable material, unlike the last couple of tops which I showed you. But I quite like this. That was my H&M haul. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week with a fresh new video. Bye, take care and stay well.